Good morning, dear students and respected teachers. I am Smita Patel from TPS High School, Banpali, and I welcome you all to this live virtual class of our Sundargarh district. First of all, I want to show you some medals. This one gold medal, this one silver medal, and this one bronze medal. Would you like to achieve it? I know your answer is yes, and it's obvious. It's a basic human nature to achieve, to try for success in various competitions and for winning a medal. And for sports person, it's a dream to achieve a medal, that too on an Olympic Games. So dear students, as you all know, today our topic is what? 9 gold medals. So before going to the topic, we will learn about three things. First of all, about Olympic Games. Second, about differently abled people. And third, most important one, humanity. So let's go to the smart board. So dear students, this one is the flag of Olympic Games. It has white background and in the middle part, you can see 5 interlaced rings that shows 5 continents. Continents means what? ମହାଦେଶ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 5 ring ଅଛି ତାହା ପାଞ୍ଚଟି ମହାଦେଶକୁ ସୂଚାଉଛି. What are they? They are Europe, Africa, America, Asia and Australia. So now we will learn about some historical part of Olympic Games. This is the world map and here you can see different continents. ଆମର ମହାଦେଶ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କେତୋଟି ମହାଦେଶ ଅଛି? 7ଟି ମହାଦେଶ ନାଇଁ? ସେଇ ମହାଦେଶ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ୟୁରୋପ ମହାଦେଶରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗ୍ରୀସ ନାମକ ଦେଶ ଅଛି. ସେହି ଦେଶର ଅଲମ୍ପିଆ ନାମକ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଏହି ଅଲମ୍ପିକ ଗେମ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟପୂର୍ବ 773 ଏବଂ ଏହା କାହା ସମ୍ମାନରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ଗ୍ରୀକ ଗଡ ଜିଅସଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମାନରେ ଏହି ଗେମ୍ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହୋଇଥିଲା. ମାତ୍ର ରୋମାନ ଏମ୍ପାୟାର ର ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ପରେ ଏହା ଥୋଡେସିୟସ୍ 1 ଏମ୍ପରରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏବୋଲିଶ ହୋଇଯାଇଥିଲା. କେବେ ନା 393 ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଦରେ. And after long 1500 years, it was again started in the year 1896 in the Greece, and it was first started in which country? In the Greece and in the capital of Greece, that is in Athens. Okay, Athens ସହରରେ ଏହା ପୁଣି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା ମଡର୍ନ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ଗେମ୍ସ ଏବଂ ଏହାର କୋ-ଫାଉଣ୍ଡର ଥିଲେ କିଏ? ପିରେ ଦି କୋବର୍ଟିନ୍. He is the co-founder of this modern Olympic Games. He was also known as father of modern Olympic Games. And in this year, 2021, the modern Olympic Games was celebrated at where? At Japan. And Tokyo is the capital of Japan. ଏହି ଟୋକିଓ ଠାରେ ଏହି ବର୍ଷ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା? ଆମର ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ଗେମ୍ celebrated ହେଇଥିଲା and it was postponed. It was supposed to be celebrated in the year 2020. Matra, due to COVID-19, it was postponed and it was held in the year 2021. So our next important point, that one is differently abled people. Now we will learn about differently abled people. So in this picture you can see these people, they are differently able. We don't call them disabled persons. Okay? We all are different from each other. Some are good in studies, some are good in sports, some are in other activities. Likewise, these people do not have hands and legs like us, but they can do things differently in different manner. So they are called as differently abled people. And ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ disabled person କହିବା ନାହିଁ, ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ କଣ କହିବା? Differently abled people. ଏମାନେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷକୁ କଣ different way ରେ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ ଆମ ପରି ହାତ ଗୋଡ଼ normal mental ability ନଥାଏ. तेणु एमानंकु आमे डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल कहि थाउ एवं एही डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल जो माने कि स्पोर्ट्स रे भाग नै थांती जो माने स्किल्ड पर्सन थांती स्पोर्ट्स रे एमानंकु कोन कहा जाय पारा एथलीट दे आर कॉल्ड एज पारा एथलीट्स हियर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स ऑफ सम पारा एथलीट्स okay I am giving you task to collect some names of some Indian para athletes and show to your teacher. Next, our third important point. What is that? Humanity. What do you mean by humanity? What should be the motto of our life? Not only sports person, but for all. ଆମ ମୂଳ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ହେବା ଉଚିତ? Regardless of the position you held, it be president, collector, or a simple farmer, possess humanity. ଆମ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ଏବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମନରେ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ମନୋଭାବ ବଢି ଚାଲିଛି instead of caring for each other, empathy towards each other, they are all going to death. So, yes, students, we should have humanity. We should possess humanity. ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଅଜସ୍ର ଟଙ୍କା ପଇସା ଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯଦି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ମଣିଷପଣିଆ ନାହିଁ ହ୍ୟୁମାନିଟି ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ ପାଇପାରିବା ନାହିଁ as you all know if God help those who help themselves but God bless them who help others ଆମେ ଯଦି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ସହାୟତା କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ପାଇପାରିବା so dear student आमे आम कर्म द्वारा कौन आमे जदि आम बापा माँ मुहरे खुशी आनी था आमे जदि आमे टीचर्स मानक ठारू जितेबेले आमे कौन शुणी था वेरी गुड शुणी था हमको कौन आत्मसंतोष प्राप्त होता है नहीं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सेल्फ सैटिस्फैक्शन ओके सो we will learn about this humanity by an amazing poem that is 9 gold medals and who is the author of this poem David Roth. This is the picture of David Roth and he was born on 10th October 1954. से केबे जन्म ग्रहण करथिले 10th October 1954 रे एवं से कोठी जन्म ग्रहण करथिले यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका हमर उत्तर अमेरिका रे थिबा यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका कंट्री रो कोन इंडियाना नामक राज्य रे थिबा ब्लूमिंगटन शहर रे हियर यू कैन सी दिस वन ब्लूमिंगटन शहर रे से जन्म ग्रहण करथिले एवं से एकाधारे कोन थिले रॉक वोकालिस्ट थिले ऑथर थिले सॉन्ग कंपोजर थिले आउ एक्टर मध्ये थिले एवं रेडियो पर्सनालिटी मध्ये थिले सो इन दिस पोएम 9 gold medals in this poem 9 gold medals this present poem was based on special Olympic games 9 differently able persons okay in which 9 differently able persons what they showed all very different kind of humanity okay what do you mean this special Olympic games the world's largest organization where specially able persons they come together and this organization help them to develop self-esteem and different qualities among them. And David Roth, he experienced such events in the year 1976. And in this poem, he shared his experience of Special Olympic Games, which was held in the year 1976 and where at Washington. So, let's recite the poem, 9 gold medals. I'm reciting the poem, you watch the video and listen the poem carefully. The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to this game. The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them, the 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 reserved athletes. In back of the starting line, wait for the sound of the gun. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners, all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered and fell to the asphalt instead. He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I'm standing here telling this story, the same goes for what next occurred. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels, the ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued. The 100-yard dash now reduced to a walk, and a banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been more on the mark. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still, and a standing ovation and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will. So dear students, କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା poem? ସମସ୍ତେ ଶୁଣିଲା ତ? Now we will understand this poem one by one. Okay. First one, first stanza. What is that? Again, I am reciting this poem. You listen to me carefully. The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for silver and bronze, and many weeks and months of training all coming down to this game. So, athlete means what? Athlete means a person who is trained in sports. They are skilled persons in sports. They are called as athletes. Here you can see these are the athletes. They are skilled. They are skilled sports persons. Okay. So, all over the country, all over the country. Now we will learn the poem one by one. The athletes had come from all over the country. Athletes from all over the country. Here you can see the maps where so many countries are there. So ସବୁ country ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ athletes ଆସନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି Olympic game ପାଇଁ ନାଇଁ. So they are not just came to participate. They are not just came to participate. ସେମାନେ participate କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି କେବଳ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ନା to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. ସେମାନେ gold, silver ଏବଂ bronze medal, at least bronze medal ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ win କରିବାକୁ ଜିତିବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ. And for that they have practiced a lot. They have trained so hard. କଣ କେବଳ ଏକ ଦିନରେ ନୁହେଁ ସେମାନେ months, weeks, ସେମାନେ weeks ନାଇଁ. So the same goes for what next occurred. ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା କଣ next ହେଲା. Sixth stanza. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels, the ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. Pulled up means to bring a stop. ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଟାଣି ହୋଇଗଲେ. Okay. Then heels. Heels means, I think you know, this one is the heels. Sandal. Heel ପିନ୍ଧ କି ନାଇଁ? One is the heel. ଗୋଇଠି. And compete to try to win or achieve. ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା କରିବା ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ compete. Next, the 8 other runners pulled up on their heels. ଜଣେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଆଉ କେତେ ଜଣ ରହିଲେ? 8 ଜଣ ରହିଲେ. ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ? ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ସାଇକେଲରେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ମାରୁ ସେମାନେ ହିଲ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଗୋଇଠି ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କଣ କଲେ? ସେମାନେ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ହେଇଗଲେ. They break and they pulled up on their heels. So ones who had trained for so long to compete, one by one they all turned and went back to help him. ସେମାନେ ଜଣେ ପରେ ଜଣେ ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ କଲେ ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ. ସେମାନେ ଚାହିଁଥାନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡିକି ଆଗକୁ जाई पारथांते सेमाने तांको रनिंग कंप्लीट करि पारथांते बट दे शोड ह्यूमैनिटी सेमाने निजकू ता परिस्थिति रे रखिकरी सेमाने भाबिले they are not friends they have came from all over the countries ନାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଜଣେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି still they help them okay ସେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ one by one କଣ କଲେ ପଛକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କଲେ and brought the young boy to his feet ତାକୁ ଉଠାଇଲେ ନାଇଁ next your seventh stanza then all the nine runners joined hands and continued the 100-yard dash now reduced to a walk and a banner above that said Special Olympics would not have been more on the mark. Reduced means what? To make something less. So let's understand. Then all the nine runners joined hand and continued. They continued their running by what? They joined their hands. ସେମାନେ ହାତ ଧରାଧରି ହୋଇକି କ'ଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କ ରନିଂ ବାକି ଥିଲା ତାକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଦ 100-yard dash ଯୋଉ 100 ର ଯୋଉ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟା ଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ରନିଂ ଥିଲା ତାହା କୋଉଥିରେ ପରିଣତ ହୋଇଗଲା ତାହା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତିତ ହୋଇଗଲା ସେମାନେ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ତାକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାନର ଥିଲା ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ସ ତାହା ତାକୁ ଯଥାର୍ଥରେ ତା ନାମକୁ ସେ ଯଥାର୍ଥରେ ସାକାର କଲା କ'ଣ as they have shown humanity okay they showed humanity human values they showed empathy towards him the smallest one nahi could not have been more on the mark means this banner actually proved that these are actually they are ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଅଟନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ କହିବାର ଯୋଉ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତାର ନାମକୁ ସେମାନେ ଯଥାର୍ଥରେ ସାକାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି next our eighth stanza that's how the race ended with 9 gold medals they came to the finish line holding hands still and a standing ovation and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will ovation means what expression of popular appreciation for their mastery performance ସ୍ୱୀକୃତି ସୂଚକ ସମ୍ମାନ ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି କିଏ ଜଣେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିଥାଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ମିଳିଥାଏ କି କ'ଣ ଅନର ମିଳିଥାଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ହୋଇକି କ୍ଲାପିଂ କରିଥାଉ କି ନାହିଁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ କଲ୍ଡ as standing ovation then beaming faces ମାନେ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ମୁଖ next we will understand see that's how the race ended with 9 gold medals each of the athletes they got one medal each they got gold medal each of them okay so they came to the finish line holding hands still they came to the finish line with holding hands with one another nahi ସେମାନେ ହାତ ଧରାଧରି ହୋଇ ସେଇ ରେସ୍ ତାକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଅଡିଏନ୍ସ ମାନେ ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟାଟର୍ସ ମାନେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁଜ ସେମାନେ ଶୋ କରିଥିଲେ ତା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଓଭେସନ୍ ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଲାପିଂ କଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ବର୍ଦ୍ଧନା ଜଣାଇଲେ ଏବଂ 9 beaming faces they all are beaming ତାଙ୍କର ମୁଖରେ ଯୋଉ ଉଜ୍ଜଳତା ଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ସେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ସହାୟତା କରିକିରି ତାହା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଅଥର ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୋଏମ ଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଧିକ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ଅଧିକ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନୀୟ ଥିଲା ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ପୋଏମ ସେଇ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସକୁ ତାହା ଏତେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିପାରିନଥିଲା ଯାହା ତାଙ୍କର ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ମୁଖ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ next what is the main themes of the poem so dear students first a poem ର main theme କ'ଣ ଅଛି ନା celebration of human values the poem brings out the idea that caring and sharing is more important than winning or losing okay our personal achievement ଠାରୁ କ'ଣ ବେଶୀ କେୟାରିଂ କରିବା ଏବଂ ସେୟାରିଂ କରିବାଟା ହେଉଛି ସବୁଠାରୁ ବେଶୀ ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ ନାଇଁ Sports aim is not to win but to participate and also about learning empathy କ'ଣ empathy ଶିଖିବା cooperation ଶିଖିବା compassion ଶିଖିବା ଦୟା ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ରଖିବା ଏହା ହେଉଛି ବେଶୀ ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ the authorities ଏଇଠି ଏଇ ପୋଏମରେ ଯୋଉ authorities ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ 9 medals gold medal ଦେଲେ ତାହା କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ as they showed humanity the authorities awarded all the 9 9 of them gold medal because of their display of human value. ସେମାନେ human value को display କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ medal ରେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ କରାଗଲା. Now next theme is true spirit of sportsmanship. Sportsmanship ମାନେ जो खेलाड़ी मनोभाव थाए ताहा କ'ଣ ଅଟେ ନା means that a sport or an activity should be enjoyed for its own sake. ଆମେ जो ଖେଳ ଖେଳିଥାଉ ତାହା ଖେଳକୁ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଖେଳିବା ଉଚିତ ଏବଂ ସେଥିରେ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ ଫେୟାରନେସ୍ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ. There needs to be fairness and mutual respect with one's competitors. ଆମେ ପରସ୍ପର ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗୀ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ ପରସ୍ପର ସମ୍ମାନ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ ଏବଂ ଖେଳ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ ସେଟା ଫେୟାର ହେବା ଉଚିତ ନାଇଁ. The poet also highlighted that the differently able persons whom we often think to be less capable than us, through this event they proved it wrong. They showed how they are unique and better human beings. ସେମାନେ ଏହି human values जो empathy ଦେଖାଇଲେ ଏହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେମାନେ prove କରିଦେଲେ ଯେ କ'ଣ ସେମାନେ କୌଣସିଥିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମର ଯୋଉ unemployed people ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ କୌଣସିଥିରେ ସେମାନେ କମ୍ ନୁହନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ. So I think you have understood the poem and now we will practice. Who is the author of the poem 9 gold medals? Please raise your hand. TPS High School Banpali, one of you tell me who is the author of the poem gold medal?
David Roth.
David Roth. Yes,
David
very
Roth.
good. Very good. It's David Roth. Okay. What was the unexpected thing that happened? कौन unexpected थिला जहाँ घटिला. First, एठी A रे अछि the shortest athlete among them stumbled, staggered, and fell to his knees on the ground. Or the youngest athlete among them stumbled, staggered, and fell to his knees on the ground. The youngest athlete among them stumbled and staggered and fell to his knees on the ground. When the youngest among them fell down, everyone else continued their race. Which one is the right answer? One is knees. Okay. One is written wrong. That is the knees. So tell me, what will be the right answer? Tanjivana High School. Tell me, what will be the right answer? Which one? ଏମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କିଏ shortest athlete stumble staggered ହେଇଗଲେ ନା youngest athlete among them stumbled staggered and fell to
D number,
the
4 number.
knees. Which one?
4 number answer.
It will be the youngest athlete. Okay.
B.
Yes, the youngest athlete. Okay.
Get a B.
B will be the right answer. Third one, the 9 sportsmen stood with smiling faces and their gold medals under the banner that declared it as a special Olympic. These stood. କ'ଣ ଏହା ଶୋ କରୁଛି ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ଗେମ୍ କ'ଣ କଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କଲା ପରେ ଯୋଉ 9 ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାନର ଶୋ କଲା ତାହା କ'ଣ ଶୋ କରୁଛି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ କମ୍ପାସନ୍ କୋଅପରେସନ୍ ଟ୍ରୁ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସମ୍ୟାନସିପ୍ ଅର୍ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଏଭବ୍ କ'ଣ ହେବ ସଟନ୍ ପାଲି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ କମ୍ପାସନ୍ ମାନେ ଦୟା ମନୋଭାବ କୋଅପରେସନ୍ ମାନେ ସହଯୋଗୀ ମନୋଭାବ ଏବଂ all of the above ଏହି ସମସ୍ତ ଶୋ କରୁଛି ସେଥିରେ. Okay. Next 4 number, what is the moral that the poet is trying to convey? ଏହି poem ରୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ moral ପାଇପାରୁଛୁ? It is okay to fall down once in a while, or winning is important, ଜିତିବାଟା important ଅଟେ, or compassion is more important than competition. ଦୟା ମନୋଭାବଟା competition ଠୁ
Option C.
Very good, very good. It is the option C. What was the event? Event टा कौन थिला? कोई event थिला? The 100-yard race in the Special Olympics, or the 100-meter race in Olympics, the triathlon, a running race for the specially award.
Ma'am, A heba the 100-yard race in the special.
Vijalpur Girls School.
Ma'am, A heba.
Yes.
Answer A.
Yeah. The 100-yard race in the Special Olympics. Very good. Next, 6th number. But the dash among them, dash and dash. এই ଯୋଉ ତିନୋଟି dash ପ୍ରଳ ଅଛି ସେଇଥିରେ serially କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା first ହବ, then second, then third. Youngest, then staggered and stumbled, or shortest, stumbled and staggered, or smallest, stumbled and staggered, and tallest, stumbled and staggered. କୋଉଟା ହବ answer? Kodhara in UG High School. Which one is right? Identify the correct option.
Option C.
Yes, smallest. But the smallest among them stumbled and staggered. Very good. Next, the poem Nine Gold Medals by David Roth narrates. कौन narrate करूची? A fact of a story based upon a real incident, an imaginary story, the poet's own experience. कौन है वो?
A story based upon a real incident.
Yes. यहाँ होते real incident.
A story based upon a real incident.
Yes, very good. That is the right answer. In the poem, 9 gold medals were awarded in total in that Olympics. Total 9 gold medals तांको दिया इसला. One athlete won 9 gold medals. गोटे athlete 9 gold medals पाइथिले ना. All 9 competitors in an event were awarded a gold medal each, or 9 differently abled athletes won gold medal in that Olympics. Which one will be the right answer? Vargas Kathar High School. Girls High School Bonai.
All nine competitors in an event were awarded a gold medal each.
Very good. All 9 competitors in an event. And that one will be right, or this one? 9 differently abled athletes won gold medal in that Olympics.
C haba ma'am.
Okay.
Option C.
Right answer. Okay, sit down. Why did the athlete give out a cry of frustration and anguish? से काहीकि frustration एवं anguish से cry कला. कोथिपाई? After months of hard work and effort, it was all lost in just a moment, or he fell down on his knees, or he lost the race, or he received bad injury. कोथिपाई cry कला? कोथिपाई? Dev Karan High School.
After months of hard work and effort.
Yes.
Ma'am, option A.
Yes. Option A is the right one, because तारो जो नीचे आघात होइतला ताकू बेसी ताकू प्रशिक्षण दौरतला कोटा बेसी दोइला ना जे एस्की जो परिश्रम करतला ताहा सब धूली साथे इतला नहीं. So after months of hard work and effort, it was all lost in just a moment. इसमें बहुत दुखित थिला नहीं. Next, David Roth is an American vocalist habo, British poet habo, na Italian songwriter habo, or Indian singer habo.
American voice.
Yes, American vocalist. Nice.
Answer A.
Yes, answer A is the right one. Next, 11th. Special Olympics is a competition arranged only for. What will be the right answer? Option A, persons from special social categories, persons display in defense, then people above 40 years, this one is 40 years, or people who are differently abled. Who would have a right answer? Jalda High School.
Answer C. Answer C.
Jalda High School.
Answer C.
No, answer C is not right. Special Olympic is a competition arranged for. प्रथम तुमको कही ना कौन स्पेशल ओलंपिक को मानक पाई डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पर्सन मानक पाई नहीं. So what will be the right answer? People who are differently abled. Okay. Next, the athlete started to run when the loudspeaker called out, the light signal, the pistol exploded, the whistle was blown. Would I have a right answer? SCP Punjab.
Option C. Option C.
Very good.
The pistol exploded. Option C.
Yes, very good. Next, the 8 other athletes came back to lift the fallen one, stopped and waited. One is waited for the fallen one, continue to run, or rejected the gold medal. What is the right answer? Yes.
B कहूँ
Came back to leave the fallen one. नहीं ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ back କୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ତାକୁ help କରିବା ପାଇଁ. Very good. Sit down. The Special Olympics became so special due to the display of କଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ Special Olympics ଟା କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ special ହେଲା? Leadership quality ପାଇଁ, empathy and cooperation ପାଇଁ, courage and compatibility. କୋଉଟା ହେବ? Right answer?
Option C.
Ujalpur Girls High School. No, option C is not the right answer. Ujalpur.
Option C.
Oh dear.
Option C.
KCP Panchayat High
Option
School.
B.
Option C.
Yes.
Option B.
They showed empathy and cooperation. ସହଯୋଗୀ ମନୋଭାବ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏହା ଅଧିକ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ହୋଇଥିଲା ନାଇଁ that Special Olympics. Next, the poem 9 gold medals teaches us that the world now need more what? Cooperation, collaboration, consideration, all of the above. ଏବେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ପୃଥିବୀ ଅଛି କଣ ଦରକାର କରୁଛି?
Option D.
Yes, all of the above. This one
Option
is
D.
the right answer.
Option D.
Right. Option D is the right answer. Now, this one is the homework. Collect the names of some Indian para athletes, those who have won medals in Olympic Games. Olympic Games रे winning करथिबा para athletes मानक नाम Indian para athletes मानक नाम देखिबो एवं तम टीचर को देखिबो. Okay? So, dear students, समस्ते poem टा के बुझी. I think all of you have understood this poem. And you have to practice a lot. As I have said earlier, if you will practice a lot in English, then you will know more. So if you have any doubts, then you can ask me any questions. Yes, dear students? Do you have any question regarding this poem? Okay, dear students?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay, thank you. So, go to your home and read this poem carefully. This is very nice poem, and also you also possess humanity towards each other, and so empathy, cooperation, collaboration with your friends, and have a nice day. Okay, thank you.